So in this question, they're asking us to get length in centimeters from the user, and if the length entered is negative, then we have to show it as entry invalid. If it is positive, then we have to convert it into inches. First, let us get the input, which is the inches. So then length equal to float input, enter the length. Now we have to check whether it is positive or negative. So we're going to use the if statement. If length is greater than is less than 0, then we have to print entry invalid. Else we have to convert it, right? So a equal to lent divided by 2.54, because 2.54 centimeters equal to 1 inch. So to show number of inches, we're going to divide it by 2.5. Next, print number of inches equal to a. Let's see how this works. So I'll enter the length as 163, which is 64 inches. If I enter negative 45, it should show entry invalid.